So friend, if you know that you are one who eats apple pea, don't rush out of this video. Make sure to watch till the end and discover the hidden truth about this apple pea that you do eat on a regular. For those who are not eating apple pea, also make sure to watch this video out, for in this channel your health is our priority. And kindly subscribe while watching to join our healthy journey tips, okay, for a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for doing that. Now pay attention to this. When you eat apple pea on a regular, know that this is going to help you treat chronic ailments in your body like renal failure, anemia, and other chronic diseases of excretory and intestinal system. It is not associated with the blood, rather apple pea plays a vital role in the body process or system such as circulatory system. Wow, just hear one of the apple pea impact on your health. Secondly, apple pea eliminates free radicals in our body. When you eat apple pea, the antioxidant properties found in apple pea monitors the activities of free radicals in our body and eliminates them, okay? For these free radicals could damage the human cells that could lead to cancer as well and other diseases. So with the consumption of apple pea, this helps you to fight the free radicals in the human body. Also, apple pea regulates the body temperature. So when you eat apple pea on a regular, it helps to promote the absorption capacity of the body. Apple pea also stabilizes the temperature of the body. Hope you are getting the secret health benefit of apple pea, my friend. Also, in addition, apple pea helps out with diabetic treatment and enhance your memory or concentration power. So after hearing this, what are you still waiting for? Rush and grab one piece of apple pea and eat, okay, in order not to miss out on its health benefits on our body. Jalen Petit TV is all about you having a healthy life, and if you are a lover of good health, maybe you should consider subscribing to join our healthy community. Much love. Thank you for watching, and please, for those who are apple pea fans or eaters, kindly share more on this with your experience on eating apple pea for others to learn from it as well in the comment section, okay? Thank you for doing that, and please share the video out with your loved ones and also thumbs up the video for us. Cheers for watching up to this point.